kama chala Ramogi juang riwruok mano mar Kenya Private Sector Alliance KEPSA koni gi yango ni chiegni mano kwan maromo 45% mag rowere kaunti ma Mombasa oge kod thuolo mag tije. Gino mikoni kidek nyayo rochruok mar arita e kaunti no. Kaluwore kodgi mano magiwacho kanyo riwruogno kachiel koda ka riwruoge mamoko ochako ayanga chenro mar tiego rowere mantiere Mombasa e lony mopogore opogore manyalo kelo negi yuto to chutho mago motenore gi weche go mag mbui. Kane uloso chenro no mano bagi kar tiegruok mag rowere midendo ni Swahili Port, Migago mar ohala kod limbe e kaunti ma Mombasa koni giseketo tenge omuom mar neno ni gijiwo rowere e timo ohala ma ok manarito tije mag andika. Wacho ni magi giwacho bang' yangore ni gin gi chike moket kare.
So this is a continued initiative where we are going to be working with the different stakeholders now and going forward, including some of the past projects that we have done, like course projects, where we have also trained more women and youth from to create value from waste. And hopefully, as we continue working together and empowering these youth and women, then we shall continuously fill that gap of unemployment.
Kwa hivyo njia ambayo imebaki mwafaka ni kuhakikisha kwamba tunashirikiana na watu kama KEPSA. Unaona, kuhakikisha kwamba hawa vijana wanapata njia nyingine ambao waweza kujinini kibiashara. Ndio sababu Mombasa County katika bajeti yangu hii ya kwanza nimeweka milioni 100 ya kuhakikisha nimeweza kuinua kina mama viazi. Wale mama wetu wale wanauza viazi, wale wachuzi wetu ambao wasukuma mkoteni katika sokoni, wale ambao wanauza nini, ni hakikisha kwamba wanapata ajira kwa njia. Because tumehakikisha kwamba serikali ya hizi haina nafasi ya kuandika kila mtu kazi.
Upande wa jumuiya tuna mipango kutokana na ile project yetu ya GoBlue ambayo tuna EU funding. Imesaidia sana polytechnic hizi vocational training na kunisha kazi za uchumi samawati katika blue economy.
You can give capacity, you can give skills to someone, but what happens after? So linking them to opportunities, to partnerships, this is exactly what this intergenerational forum is about. So as Kenya Red Cross, we do this because our core mandate is to elevate human suffering. We're trying to see how can we better our support to the communities and the beneficiaries, especially to the vulnerable populations.
Ramogi juang kama chielo kanyo nitie